Today we're making no-churn ice cream. Hi everyone, welcome to Black Cat Kitchen. I hope you're doing well. Today we're making an easy no-churn ice cream that you can make at home without any special tools. When we hit 600 subscribers, we asked for some recipe ideas that you wanted to see us make, and ice cream came up a bunch of times. This recipe is simple and easy, and it's completely customizable. Today I'm adding raspberries, but you can add whatever you want. Let's get started. See the description below for a list of ingredients. To our bowl, we'll add 600 milliliters of double or heavy cream, 200 grams of sweetened condensed milk, it's about half a can, and just a splash of vanilla extract. If you're just making vanilla ice cream here, I'd recommend using a vanilla bean paste or the inside scraped out of a vanilla bean pod. While we set that to whisk, I'm just going to mash up our raspberries with a fork. Once it looks a bit like clotted cream, you know your ice cream is ready. Now we're just going to stir in our raspberries and set it to freeze. Pour it into our loaf pan, cover it with cling film, and set it in the freezer. Into the freezer for a minimum of 3 hours.
3 hours later.
I think I'm most looking forward to this bit. It's rich and it's creamy and it's got just the right amount of sweetness by only using half of the can of that milk. You'd expect it to have crystals in it because we haven't churned it, but it is so smooth and delicious. And when you get one of those little bursts of raspberry, you get the tartness and it's kind of folded through the ice cream. It's just a perfect combination. And you've got that little bit of vanilla that just hits you right at the end. This is a perfect summer treat. Great to throw together really quickly on the weekend, and you've got it all week long during those hot summer days. The best part is, you don't even have to pay out for an expensive one-use machine. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. We'll see you next time.